Hey, it's Hussein here. In this video, I want to share with you top 3 video editor apps for Android in 2020. If you're looking for a free video editor and phone, this video is for you. The good thing is none of them have watermark on them. You're able to save your video without watermark and free. So let's talk about them. The number one is InShot. InShot app is an all-in-one visual content editing app. It allows you to create videos, edit photos, and create image. This app has plenty of features too. You can frame clips, change the speed of your footage, and add filters, music, and text, and more and more. You can remove watermark for sure. Number 2 is KineMaster. KineMaster's intuitive interface makes mobile video editing as easy as it can be. The app allows you to edit clips together like you would on the desktop. You can also add effects, text, and music. The app allows you to record audio to add to your videos. Number 1 is Willow or VLLO. Willow was recognized as the best app for 2019 by the Google Play. All features needed to edit video in one app: cut, trim, audio, subtitle, filters, motion, sticker, Kinber, PIP, and etc. All the necessary features to edit video are ready in this app. Okay guys, that's it. Enjoy editing with your phone now. Also make sure to like this video and subscribe for updates. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.